can see behind me, we're up to how to lay your tiles. To kick this off, you actually need some essentials. So first of all, make sure you've got your tiles prepped and ready to go. Tile cutter, tile glue, and a trowel.
And a trowel or a glue spreader. You're also going to need some spacers, levels, some measuring tools, and of course a bucket and some water.
When mixing glue, make sure you have a toothpaste consistency. Clean up as you go. It is easier to clean up wet glue than dry glue.
We've got our datum line set up at the back here, so we're ready to start laying tiles. We've made up the glue. We're going to spread this out. We're going to work our way through, create a nice straight line, and get some nice level tiles installed. So when setting up your datum line, some people like to just put a line on the floor. I like to have a level laying at the back, that way I can see clearly where the edge I'm going to butt up to, and then I can spread the glue back from there and work my way through. Perfect laid tile down onto the edge, everything looks nice and clean, nice compression, and make sure that everything's nice and level. So we're obviously using spacers on these tiles. These specific spacers have got a clamp system set in. So as you can see here, they've got a lip in the tiles there. That step there, we're going to get rid of that step. We're going to slide in the wedge, and then we're going to clamp that together. That's going to pull the tile lines together. And then we end up with a nice seamless flush finish. That way your finished product looks absolutely perfect. When measuring your cuts, make sure that you give an allowance of 3 or 4 mil or so when you're measuring through. So as you can see here, we're going to measure that in, make it slightly smaller, then go to the tile cutter, crack that tile, bring it back in, we're ready to play. So it should be a nice, quick and easy technique. With some of the larger cutting tools such as this one, you'll notice that it's actually got a measuring stick at the back. That allows you to measure up once, come down here, cut it, it's going to give you a perfect square cut. It saves you having to measure out and mark out the tile. It's a huge time saver. You can see the consistency of the glue here. It's got that nice gluggy feel to it. It works really well. It's going to not be too runny. You don't want those tiles to settle. It needs to be firm enough to hold that level of the tiles. We spread the glue out to keep the consistency, and it runs all the way along. Make sure that you don't spread up, get any mess along the walls here, and always clean as you go. Now the moment of truth, perfect fit. Let's see how it goes. Like I bought one.